Okay, now I'm going to share with you how the curriculum tab of Happy Numbers aligns really well with the GCPS Elementary Curriculum Haiku. So if we go over here, I'm going to choose kindergarten for this time. Then I'm going to click math instruction because Happy Numbers is math. I'm going to click cluster 2 for this time. And I'm going to scroll down to the priority standards. So know number names and recognize patterns in the counting sequence by counting to 100 by ones. Count forward from a beginning from a given number within the known sequence instead of having to begin at 1. Write the numbers 0 to 20. Understand the relationship between numbers and quantities. When counting objects, say the number names in the standard order, pairing each object with one and only one number name, and each number name with only one and only one object. So I'm going to go over here and share with you Happy Numbers. So when we go to Happy Numbers, we clicked Curriculum. I selected the grade, and then I scrolled down, and Module 1 is numbers to 10. So we're identifying same, different, and alike, sorting, counting similar objects, numbers to 5, concept of 0 and working with numbers 0 through 5. So in this one, it even states the objective. Students use digits 1 to 5 to sequence objects and to determine position or total. They work with aligned objects, scattered objects, and a number line. They explore the composition of the number 3 in beginning using plus, minus, and equal sign. So we can go through and kind of see how this aligns directly with our Common Core standards. Students learn strategies for counting with one-to-one match and learn the sets of objects with the same total can be aligned in different ways. So right over here it says, when counting objects, say the number names in standard order, pairing each object with one and only one number name, and each number name with one and only one object, which is one-to-one correspondence. The curriculum lines up pretty well for each grade level.